kao animatora, sad baš kao animatora, ne kao umjetničkog ravnatelja, me veseli nekoliko gostiju, Robert Morgan recimo, Pedro Rivero, Marta Pajek, nekoliko vrhunskih autora i ljudi u ostalom koji će doći u Zagreb, koji će predstaviti kako koji svoj program ili neko predavanje, masterclass ili novi film.
This exhibition is a mix of paintings, drawings and puppets from my films. I was always a fan of horror films when I was growing up, and but for me they're more, you know, their films are about birth and death, I think, broadly. They sort of take place at the extreme ends of existence, you know, and that to me is what I find inspiring. It's what drives me to make this kind of work, and it just happens that they are maybe sometimes disturbing, but they're also cute as well.
They disappeared just as quickly as they appeared, after 3 songs.
It wasn't.
I recently curated an exhibition called The Beautiful Frame, Animation and Sport, which took place at the National Football Museum in Manchester. It had 200 films and it had 80 objects, things like scripts and puppets and all sorts of things that were in animated sport films, and it was spread across the whole of the museum, across 4 floors, and was part of the established exhibits already in the museum. So it was a huge undertaking. It was very well received, a huge footfall over 3 months, which was amazing. It brought lots of children in, it brought lots of people from Paralympians, for example, who came and joined in, a whole range of people who were getting benefit from sport, but actually were learning about sport through animation. So we had lots of real fantastic impact, really, from the exhibition. For me, animation and sport is really closely related because it's about preparing very specific choreographed moves with a particular outcome, for different kinds of outcome, but often very similar outcomes aesthetically. And once we are looking at something aesthetically, we largely see it differently. When Arsenal or Barcelona or a great football team, Real Madrid, or a great Croatian team, or great Croatian players like Modrić do something really extraordinary, people say sport becomes art.
Like animation has always done. Animation always brings together cross-disciplinary stuff. It's such a powerful connection.
Well, we would be very happy to come and mount the exhibition here in Croatia, of course, not least of which because Zagreb as a festival, you know, it's a very long-standing scene, probably after Annecy as, you know, the most important animation festival in the world.